Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we are learning about more homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. In this lesson, we will explore three important pairs: where and where, here and here, and see and see. Understanding these words will help you use them correctly in your writing and speaking. Let's start with the first pair, where and where. Wear, spelled W-E-A-R, means to have clothing on your body. For example, you wear a shirt, shoes, or a hat. Where, spelled W-H-E-R-E, is a question word that asks about location or position. It means in what place or position. Remember, where is about clothing and where is about location. Here are some examples. I wear a jacket when it is cold. She wears glasses every day. What shirt should I wear tonight? These sentences use where to talk about clothing. Now for where is my phone? I do not know where he lives. Where are you going? These sentences use where to ask about location or position. Now let's learn the second pair, here and here. Here, spelled H-E-A-R, means to perceive sound with your ears. When you listen to music or someone speaking, you hear them. Here, spelled H-E-R-E, means in this place or position. It is used to show where someone or something is. Think of it this way: here is about sound with your ears, and here is about location. Let's look at some examples with here and here. I can hear music playing. Did you hear the news? She wants to hear your story. These use here to talk about listening. Now for here, come here please, put your book here. The answer is here. These use here to show location or position. Notice that here often comes after a verb or at the end of a sentence. The third pair is see and see. See, spelled S-E-E, means to perceive with your eyes or to understand something. When you look at something and notice it, you see it. Sea, spelled S-E-A, refers to a large body of salt water. The sea contains fish and other sea creatures. Remember, see is about using your eyes and sea is a body of water. Here are examples with see and see. I can see the mountain. Do you see what I mean? Let me see your drawing. These use see to talk about looking or understanding. Now for see, the sea is very blue. Fish live in the sea. We swam in the sea. These use see to talk about the ocean or large body of water. Perfect. You have now learned three important pairs of homophones. Remember, where means clothing and where asks about location. Here means listening with your ears, and here means in this place. See means looking with your eyes, and see means the ocean. Practice using these words in your daily conversations and writing. The more you use them, the easier they will become. Great job learning today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.